This is AP News Minute. A tornado that ripped through a Boy Scout camp in Iowa has killed 4 people, injuring dozens of others. A Scout official says the twister destroyed all the buildings and tents. The National Weather Service issued 2 warnings minutes before the tornado hit, but it's not clear if the camp had sirens. In California, the fear is wildfires. About 1,500 residents near Santa Cruz have been forced from their homes. The wildfire started yesterday and quickly spread. Hundreds of homes are now threatened by the blaze, and already some structures have burned. It's been a month now since the devastating earthquake that rocked central China. The 7.9 magnitude quake killed nearly 70,000 people. 17,000 are still missing. Recent fears about flooding have subsided as water levels in earthquake-formed lakes have started to go down. Federal officials say they're getting close to pinpointing the cause of a salmonella outbreak. 167 people in 17 states have gotten sick from it. The FDA is warning consumers about eating raw red plum, red Roma, or round tomatoes. John Belmont, The Associated Press, with AP News Minute.